Alam mo ba na almost 40% of all the standing inventory, kailangan nilang mag-price reduction para mabenta?
Yes, yes.
Pag alam ko na natatansya ko na yung seller hindi, yung motivation niya gusto lang niyang i-test yung market,
Yeah.
I won't even take the listing.
As in a lending side aspect, no? Okay? And I just want to be able to put my 50 cents. We're seeing this window, this a small window of the buyer's market right now. I feel all the buyers out there right now, if you want to buy the home right now, it's the best time to buy.
A lot of buyers right now, ang ano nila, yes, they qualify.
Yeah.
Kaso ang problema nila, Alvin, they don't wanna pay that mortgage. Okay?
Yeah.
Kasi may mga ibang seller na mas marunong pa sila sa amin eh. Buying is very emotional. Okay? Emotional yan kasi parang ano yan eh, buhay mo yan eh, kabuhayan mo yan eh.
Tsaka nandyan lahat ng numbers.
Future mo yan eh. Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
And welcome to our
Episode
episode
81
of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Yes, yes, yes.
Hello Alvin!
Hello, Elizabeth.
Kumusta na?
Everything is good. Everything is well. Umiinit na ang market na naman natin.
Oo nga, alam mo ba na, I mean, who would have thought na dati noon seller's market, all of a sudden, biglang in a flip of a switch, naging buyer's market.
I mean, dati, all we could talk about, there's not enough inventory out there, right?
Yeah.
Yun ang pinag-uusapan natin before.
Yes. Oo,
But
ngayon,
now, there's a lot of inventories out there.
Yes. Oo nga, finally, ang seller, they decided na, you know what, ibebenta ko ng bahay ko, I need to free up my equity.
Correct. It doesn't matter anymore. Like, again, what's a good thing is may equity mga bahay ngayon. And it's a good thing actually with all these inventories kasi mga home buyers may mga choices.
Oo nga.
You have choices.
Let's talk about that. Ano bang ibig sabihin pag buyer's market?
Yan. And I really want to go ahead and talk about that kasi you as a realtor, Elizabeth, what makes it as a buyer's market? Ano yung first indication?
Okay, first indication is of course, you know, Economics 101, supply and demand.
Supply and demand, correct.
So kung maraming demand at konti ang supply, di ba? So that what creates, you know, seller's market.
Correct, yes.
Pero paliktarin naman natin. Gawin naman natin na maraming supply, pero kakaunti ang demand. Then that's what makes it a buyer's market.
Correct.
And that's what the state of the market that we at right now. Alam mo ba kung anong nangyari?
Ano nangyari? You let me know. You let me know.
Alam mo ba, dito sa Sacramento, the inventory is up about 30, 35, 38%. Okay.
Yeah.
At alam mo ba na almost 40% of all the standing inventory, kailangan nilang mag-price reduction para mabenta?
Yes.
And so finally, nag-a-adjust na talaga siya.
And right now, in average, the some of the houses are staying in the market in average of 30 days or more, right?
Yes, dati
we're seeing that.
Yes.
15 days.
Yes.
Wala na sa market,
so,
right?
So ngayon, we just really need to explain as a realtor when I go to like a listing appointment.
Yes.
Na tita, hindi po to katulad ng dati.
Correct.
Expect na mga, it takes about minsan 2 months bago kayo makakuha ng offer.
Correct.
Kasi ang buyer po ngayon talagang nagtitake time. There's no sense of urgency anymore na, I have to hurry, I need to make a decision, I'm gonna miss out.
Yes.
Hindi po, kasi po ang nangyayari, ganito. So let's say, punta sila. I'm gonna go show them a home.
Yes.
Talagang pwede na yung buyer mag-pull ng trigger.
Correct.
Pero nagdadalawang isip sila kasi iniisip nila, what if, you know, hintayin ko bumaba ang interest rate.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
What if mag-price reduction yan? Hintayin ko, siguradong ibababa yan yung presyo.
That's where the hesitance sometimes is happening. Yes.
And then minsan, isa pa, hintayin ko kasi bababa pa yan. Or what if another property much better at mas mura ang lumabas. Diba?
Yeah.
So yun ang mga iniisip ngayon ng buyers.
Correct.
Kaya nga wala nang tinatawag na sense of urgency. Ngayon, ito naman, kami naman as a, as a realtor on the seller side, we need to be realistic with our seller.
Correct.
Na okay ba sa'yo na hintayin mo na paano mag-react yung market, or sasabihin ko na sa'yo na ito ang dapat na ipresyo mo.
That's
Kasi
it.
right now, ang mga seller, parang minsan in denial pa yung iba.
Yes.
Na akala nila ganito pang presyo niya.
Yes. The market will dictate kung anong presyo ng bahay mo.
Correct.
Not
oo.
you, right?
Yes, oo. Kaya nga ang nangyayari, Alvin, kapag alam ko na natatansya ko na yung seller hindi, yung motivation niya gusto lang niyang i-test yung market.
Yeah, to find out.
Yeah. I won't even take the listing.
Correct.
Kasi number one, it costs me money.
Correct. Correct.
Marketing money. Like you have to pay for photographer, videographer, landscaper,
Yes.
house cleaner, stager. It's like, bukod sa, nakagastos ka na, tapos, time and effort, di ba? Kasi I have to use all my resources. I have employees I have to pay.
Of course.
So kung alam ko na yung seller hindi talaga seryoso. At parang mas, they don't really trust my judgment and my, my experience. Parang medyo naaano ko doon. Parang I'll just walk away.
Well, again, the market has changed.
Yes.
Right? The market has changed, not like 2 years ago, like what she was saying. We don't have enough inventory. Yeah, 4 years.
Ago.
Walang mga inventory gaano, right? And the houses are off the market within 15 days, sometimes 10 days. There's a lot of demands, right? It has changed.
Yeah.
We're seeing this small window of buyer's market, right? Okay?
Yeah.
Even though I think we're going into a summer, which is basically the peak season of buying, right?
Yes.
Okay?
So right now it's not like that.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah.
Yeah, kasi buyer are like really taking their sweet time. To find the deals.
Yeah. But
diba?
but I want to be able, as in a lending side aspect, no? Okay? And I just want to be able to put my 50 cents. We're seeing this window, the small window of the buyer's market right now. I feel all the buyers out there right now, if you want to buy the home right now, it's the best time to buy. Because you don't know how long this is going to last. If the rate drops to even just half a point, or let's just say, almost 1%, this is going back. We're going to go back again to this frenzy of buying.
I know. Everybody has been saying that, it's going to go down. It's going to go down. It's been 2 years.
Yeah.
Really.
Correct.
Okay. So, have you heard na magre-resign na nga yung Federal Reserve natin sa September?
Yes. This could change anything.
Kasi gustong iupo doon yung someone na makikinig sa
kay Trump. Yeah.
Diba? But we don't know kasi we don't really want to even crush our economy.
Yeah.
So it's very complicated.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But I understand.
Yeah, diba?
But let's talk about, as a buyer's market, this window that we're getting. What are the advantage kung bibili ka ng bahay ngayon? What are the advantage, right?
Advantage, number one, of course, para siyang balance market na merong push and pull na pwede mo nang ma-negotiate.
Yeah.
Hindi katulad nung araw na my way or the highway.
Yeah, or over asking price.
Yes,
o kailangan kung sino
bidding.
pinakamataas.
Correct.
We're not seeing that right now.
So that's number one. Number two, the seller is more like giving.
Yes.
Like they'll give you incentive to buy down your rate.
Yes.
Or closing costs to pay for your closing, to pay for your 2-1 buy down, whatever that is. Yeah. They're more flexible.
Yeah, they're motivated to give, diba? Right?
Yes. And then of course, number 3, as a buyer, more choices.
Yes.
Kasi dati noon para bang I'll just settle in kasi ito na lang eh.
Yeah. You just want to get in. You just want to own one, right?
Yeah, oo.
Yes.
Hindi talaga siya yung bahay na gusto mo.
Yes.
So ngayon, there's more choices, more inventory.
Yes.
Ganon.
So check this out, guys. In this market right now that we're seeing, Livable Windows buyer's market, like you said, right? There's choices. There's negotiation factor more,
Yes.
right? And also at the same time, what's the third one?
More choices.
More choices lang tayo. So all that 3 things, napakasarap bumili ng bahay ngayon, di ba?
Yes,
so if you can afford it, you can qualify, napakasarap talaga.
A lot of buyers right now, ang ano nila, yes, they qualify.
Yeah.
Kaso ang problema nila, Alvin, they don't want to pay that mortgage. Okay, let's talk about that.
But there's 2-1 buy down, Elizabeth.
Yeah, so
to use.
so
yeah,
I don't know if you know, about the big, beautiful bill.
Yeah.
Okay,
Pala.
na
Let's talk about that. Okay.
na just recently passed.
Okay.
Number 1, yung SALT cap na tinatawag, yung state local tax. Dati kasi noon, may tax write-off mo lang ang property tax mo up to $10,000. Yun
Correct.
lang.
Oo.
Okay?
Oo.
Paano naman yung mga nakatira sa San Francisco, San Jose na mga bahay?
Milyones.
Bilyones. Eh, hindi lugi na sila, di
Tama,
ba?
oo.
So ngayon, you could tax write-up up to $40,000.
That's huge, guys. That's huge tax bracket.
OMG.
Yeah, huge talaga.
Okay, I mean, think about that.
Yeah.
40,000.
Yeah.
On top of that, okay, of course, we know interest rate pa pwede mong
The interest. The interest. The solar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, kotse, di ba? Yung interest ng kotse mo. Dati noon, hindi mo pwedeng i-tax write-off.
Oo.
Ngayon, pwede mo na pong i-tax write-off as long as it's American car.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
So if you have an American car, that will free up some of the money that you have. So pwede mong gamitin yan pang, pandagdag sa mortgage mo.
Correct. Yes. Yes.
Diba?
Ano siya, there's some deductions that you can use. You could balance it off.
Yes.
For me, like I said, the reason why we're talking about this is because we really want to urge the potential home buyers out there. Now, wag tayong maghintay. We're seeing if you qualify and if the payment is good, and there's a lot of programs out there where you can buy down your rate to have a better monthly payment. Pero like I said, I'm seeing that ang sarap talagang bumili ng bahay ngayon.
Oh, maganda.
Yeah. And we are seeing a little bit of a pickup, just a little bit. People are kind of like in a sideline waiting because they're still hoping na okay, baka bumaba pa yung presyo ng bahay, waiting for the rate. But again, you don't want to miss this opportunity that we're seeing right now. This little windows that we're seeing as a buyer's market, a home buyer's market, because there's so much. The advantage is there.
Yes, correct. I mean, for me, if you could afford it,
and qualify.
Don't wait.
Yeah.
I mean, sayang yung binabayad sa renta.
I mean,
diba?
80% of my transaction right now, Elizabeth, may mga
First-time home buyer.
Oh, may mga seller credit.
Yes.
Can you imagine, na down payment assistance, nakukuha na ko na, tapos nagbibigay pa ng 15,000, sometimes 20,000 seller credit depending on the property, na pang 2-1 buy down rate, pang closing cost yung iba. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of this stuff right now.
Well, that's great.
I mean, I'm just saying because again, sellers are motivated, especially those property that's been in the market for almost over 30 days.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're seeing the same thing. I don't know.
Absolutely. I mean, kapag over 30 days, pwede nang tawaran.
Yeah, medyo. Kaya nga natutuwa ako, Elizabeth, naibenta mo yung Laytrop eh.
Oh my God. Alam mo, perfect ang timing
Sobra
mo.
yun. Ang galing,
Perfect ang timing mo bago nag-switch ang market. Oh my goodness.
Oo. Kaya you have to be flexible din as a seller, especially now, di ba?
Pero ang nagustuhan ko sa iyo, Alvin, nakikinig ka sa akin.
Siyempre, di naman ako professionally ka. Makikinig ako sa iyo, even though nasa lending ako.
Oo nga. Kasi may mga ibang seller na mas marunong pa sila sa amin eh.
Ayun ang problema minsan.
Tapos babayaran nila kami ng ganun. Ng ganung, compensation. Ba't pa nila kami binayaran kung sila rin ang masusunod? Kasi tapos hindi rin makukuha yung result na gusto nila.
Kasi sabi ni Jose tsaka ni Diego, yung kaibigan nila, or mga sino-market. Pero you listen to your professional real estate agent because they know what's going on. Tsaka how to make your property sold.
Correct.
Diba?
Oo, importante talaga yan. Oo nga, kaya
nakinig ako sa iyo. Sobrang hanggang ngayon, totoo lang, salamat.
Diyos ko, kung hindi po bababa yun.
Siguro nasa market pa yun hanggang ngayon.
Wala na, papaupa mo na lang.
Papaupa ko na yun, grabe.
Sakit ng ulo.
Sakit sa ulo.
Alam mo, sakit ng ulo magpaupa ngayon. Alam mo kung
bakit? Bakit nga ba?
Okay, kasi nga sa mahal ng bilihin, yung iba right now problema, yung trabaho.
Yeah, tama.
At may mga nawawalan ng trabaho. Bukod sa nawawalan ng trabaho, ang daming mga bad news sa news na natatakot yung mga tao ngayon.
Sobra.
Diba?
Sobra.
So ngayon, yung consumer confidence, napaka-down. Tapos, ang mahal ng bilihin. So ngayon, ang parang nangyayari, yung mga nagre-renta, lalilate ng payment.
Yes,
diba?
Yes. Tsaka ngayon ang mga I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Tsaka ang mga natin, the scenarios that I'm seeing based on the clients that I've been talking, especially people who has equity, who wants to get some money out of their equity, I would say probably 75 or maybe 70%.
Gusto magbayad ng utang.
Puro mga max out ngayon.
Hindi, ganun
They've
talaga.
been
Kasi,
using, yeah.
kasi imagine, di naman ganun kabilis tumaas ang sweldo mo.
Oo.
Ang
Ang
taas
bili ng
bumili
bahay.
taas ng gasolina, ng
Oo.
pagkain, ng grocery.
Oo.
Kapag saan nila kukunin yun, syempre kukunin nila sa
Yeah.
credit card.
Yeah, so
Unless kumuha sila ng another job.
yeah, exactly. So this is kind of some of the scenarios that I'm seeing in my business.
Yeah.
Maraming gustong kumuha ng pera to pay off some of the debt. The good news, may equity talaga yung bahay.
Correct.
Hindi lang
oo.
isa.
Yun na nga lang. Pwede niya,
You can balance it off.
they're still fortunate that they still have a resource to
Yeah.
get them.
To get
Imagine yung mga taong walang bahay
Oo.
na umuupa pa hanggang ngayon.
Mm-mm.
Katulad niyan, at least kung may bahay ka na, meron kang equity na binibuild. Every
Meron.
time nagbabayad ka ng mortgage,
Correct, oo.
nabibuild yung equity mo, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Pero kung umuupa ka lang, wala kang equity.
Totoo yan, totoo yan.
Hindi
You may
lalo kang ano.
when you buy a home, you may not see the equity right now, pero within 3 or 4 years, makikita mo yan, mamumunga siya.
Yes,
Diba? Sobrang
oo.
mamumunga.
Yeah.
Now, Elizabeth, in the buyer's market, we're seeing this window right now.
Yeah.
Okay? Sa mga seller natin, right? And I want you to kind of like elaborate talaga. Paano mo sila kinukonvince sometimes na, nasa mga list, nasa listing na, nasa market, ano yung kailangan natin gawin? Ano yung unang-unang you think what you need to do pag kailangan mong i-adjust or do something para to make the property sold? Ano yung unang tinitignan mo?
Like, are we talking about
let's say-
asking for price reduction or
Are you-
before you're listing
No,
it?
I'm just saying, nasa market na siya, right? And it has been sold,
Yeah.
nakasit pa rin sa, ano yung unang tinitignan mong aspect na kailangan gawin para,
Hindi. Okay, so first and foremost, kailangan importante na maganda yung bahay mo, presentable.
of course,
Ganun,
of course.
Yeah, importante yun.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
At saka accessibility kasi may mga ibang seller ayaw i-open house ang bahay nila.
Yun
Okay?
pa.
Kasi
oo.
especially when you first list that, you have that window of opportunity.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ang mga buyer, excited yan sa una.
Yes.
The longer it sits on the market, the more na,
Yeah.
natetenga na.
Oo.
Siguro pwede ng tawaran. Pwede
Yun.
ng parating, diba?
Correct. Oo.
Ganon.
Oo.
So also, I have to kind of set the expectation sa seller na I need at least, 30 to 45 days
Okay.
na
Okay.
makakuha tayo ng offer.
Yes.
Pag lumagpas na tayo sa 60 days, medyo delikado na tayo.
Yes. Bakit
So,
delikado? Bakit?
That means the market is not reacting.
Yes.
Okay? So, tatanungin ko ang seller,
Oo.
are you okay to pay another month of mortgage?
Okay.
Or kung gusto mo bang i-adjust na natin yung price after 30 days para mag-adjust sa market and then
See the traction.
create activity. Kasi kailangan i-monitor na how many showings, okay?
Yeah.
How many views, how many people that
Went-
came to the open house, di ba? So may mga stats and indicators kami na kailangan tinitingnan.
Correct.
Pero kung nilalangaw
Oo.
na walang showing, walang pumunta sa open house, zero, the market is not reacting to the
Yes.
price.
And it hurts your property pag nasa market siya na matagal di ba?
Correct. Oo. And we don't want that kasi
Yeah.
may tinatawag na holding cost.
Cost, correct.
Okay? Nagbabayad ka ng property tax, ng insurance, ng mortgage, ng water, sewer, garbage, HOA.
Yeah.
Yung stager mo, siyempre,
Oo.
pag in-stage yung property, it takes
Yeah.
60 days lang ang renta niyan.
Yeah, tama. Oo.
Di ba?
Oo, Dimetro lahat yan.
Oo, Dimetro lahat.
Dimetro lahat
so
yan,
kung
oo.
ka-calculate mo, let's say ang mortgage mo,
Oo.
let's say 4,000, kunyari, di ba?
Aha.
3 months, 4, 8, 12,000.
Oo.
Bakit hindi mo na lang i-presyo ng tama ng 12,000
Tama.
from the very beginning?
Oo. Oo.
Ibaba mo na siya ng 12,000 kaysa
Don't test the water.
Wag
Don't
mo nang
test the
i-test
water.
at saka
Oo.
pahirapan mo yung sarili mo
Oo.
in 3 months na po-frustrate ka kasi it's very taxing on the seller.
Correct.
Kasi imagine for 3 months, i-maintain mo yung bahay mo na hindi ka pwedeng magluto ng tuyo.
Oo,
Di
correct.
ba?
Oo.
For 3 months,
Oo.
kailangan the house needs to be clean.
Oo.
For 3 months, lahat ng mga tabak mo, lahat nasa garay,
Yeah.
everything. So, wag mo nang pahirapan yung sarili mo.
Yes.
I mean, do it right from the very beginning, and please listen to us.
Yes. Kasi yun ang nakikita ko talaga eh. A lot of the sellers right now, again, they're still thinking na yung presyo ng bahay nila was 5 years or 3 years ago's market, right?
And
that's changed.
Yeah, and very importante talaga, they need to hire the right agent.
Yes.
I mean, not all realtors are created equal. May mga realtors na tingnan po ninyo ang mga reviews nila at saka yung production nila. Kasi may mga realtors na 2-4 na bahay lang magbenta sa isang taon. Kailangan, talagang bihasa.
Bihasan. Ikaw pa naman tawag ko sa kanya listing queen eh.
Yung
diba?
bihasa kasi maraming experience at saka alam nilang kung paano mag-maneuver sa market na ganito. Especially kasi maraming mga, of course, agents na hindi pa masyado eksperyensado, di ba? Kailangan magaling mag-put ng deal together yan.
Correct.
How do you put it together?
Correct. Now, sa the buying side naman tayo, Elizabeth. Now, remember, at the buying side, meron tayong agent, of course.
Yes, buyer's agent.
Who could negotiate for you, right? Okay? Importante din talaga na meron tayong tama or experienced buyer's agent.
Okay, so ito, Alvin, ang napapansin ko kasi importante, when you have a buyer's agent, kailangan bihasa rin.
Bihasa din.
Kasi bukod sa dapat magaling mag-negotiate yan, kailangan marunong magkalba yan ng nerves ng buyer.
Correct.
Kasi ang buyer, they get excited in the beginning, tapos pag nasa transaction maglalabasan na syempre yung mga repairs na kailangan gawin.
Yes,
Kesyo si ganito, si ganyan. Kung hindi po ba marunong magkalma ang inyong agent na to make sure na you stick your eye to the price.
Correct.
Wala na, back out na.
Yeah. Or doesn't know how to negotiate, diba?
Or
some stuff, some of the stuff that sometimes pag may binibili kang bahay, remember, you will never find a perfect home. There is, pero most likely, you might not check all the boxes, diba? But some are doable, pwedeng ayusin, icing, I call it, diba?
Yeah.
But this is also one thing that your agent could negotiate kung ano yung pwedeng magawa ng seller to fix or whatnot. That's very importante talaga na may experience kang buyer's agent.
Oo nga, yes. Importante yun. At saka minsan may mga deals na na wala sa market.
Correct. Yeah, tama pa yan.
Kung magaling yung agent, bihasa, at saka matagal na sa negosyo, ang daming contacts niyan, ang daming connections. Kaya yung mga iba na wala pa sa market, alam niya.
Correct.
You know what I mean? So, importante po na, you make sure you list responsibly and you hire responsibly.
Tama.
Yes, importante po yun.
Okay, so buying side tayo uli, ha? Okay, buying side ulit.
Okay.
So Elizabeth, if you're buying a home, right? Paano mo ba talaga malalaman as a buyer if you're ready to buy a home, right? Kasi minsan people wants to buy a home, pero they don't know, am I ready? Is it time for me to buy a home, diba? I know you do buyer consultation.
Yeah, okay. Importante, actually, ma-assess mo yan sa buyer consultation.
Correct, okay, yeah.
Mararamdaman mo na anong motivation nila. What's the fire? Why do they want to buy?
Yes,
diba?
correct.
Kasi buying is very emotional.
Tama.
Okay? Emotional yan kasi parang buhay mo yan kabuhayan mo yan
Tsaka nandyan lahat ng numbers.
Future mo yan
Future. Numbers, correct.
Diba?
Oo.
So, ang advice ko, as long as you could afford, okay, the monthly payment, okay?
And if it's comfortable, diba?
Komportable. And you could, and you could actually make changes to ang tinatawag na, yung yung lifestyle mo. Kung mahilig ka mag-Starbucks, $5 a day times what?
Tabi muna natin yan, di ba?
Mga 100 something din yun, di ba? Starbucks, the baby, it could result to $300 a month.
Exacto.
Yeah.
That kapilang yan, di ba? I mean, there's things that you can do to minimize your cost para you could afford or you can buy a home or you will be able to have a home, di ba?
Yes, oo. Yeah. So may mga little sacrifice that you could actually make. Or if you like to eat out, may bahay ka na, laki na ng kitchen mo. Sa bahay ka na magluto.
Luto, mura pa.
Mura pa,
Mura
healthy
pa,
pa,
healthy
di ba?
pa, oo.
So I mean, there's ways that you could check. So when I do buyer consultation, syempre kinikilala ko muna yung kliyente. I wanna get to know them. You know, ano bang family dynamics nila? Titira ba yung sa kanila yung nanay nila, si tita, di ba?
Ano yung goal?
O ano ba yung ano nila? Do they plan to have children? Mga things like that.
Tama.
So once I get to know them, makikita mo rin yung what's their current living condition. May mga kliyente ako na umuupa lang ng kwarto o nasa apartment. Okay? So, syempre yung mga things like that, tatanungin mo kasi makikita mo yung pain point nila eh.
Correct.
Na I wanna get out. Get out of this
Situation, oo.
Diba?
Madami niyan.
Na maingay, yung parking mo, hindi ka makapag-park ng maayos o nava-vandalize ang kotse mo dahil nasa apartment complex ka o ninakaw yung bike mo doon sa you know, dun sa
or not
complex,
the safety area, tama.
or not
could
safe,
be anything.
or things like that. I would highly recommend na when we get to, you know, during the consultation, alamin ko yung mga yon. And then if they're like emotionally, kasi what really make the person really move is emotion.
Emotion.
Yeah, oo. Kasi I
Tama.
mean, yung pera lang yan eh.
Correct.
Pero if you're like in that situation, syempre, lalo na pag mga anak mo, nakikita mong ganyan, nasiksikan kayo.
Kailangan na ng room. Kailangan
diba?
niya.
Nagdadalaga na yung anak mo, syempre, kailangan na ng room, mga things like that. Huwag nilang tikisin. Kasi kaya nga tayo nabubuhay para gumandang kabuhayan natin. Diba? Kaya nga tayo nagtatrabaho. Ano naman natin yung pera? Hindi naman natin madala sa langit. Di ba?
And I know, Elizabeth, when you do your buyer consultation, you always want to have a lender right in there. Because again, at the end of the day, it's all about the numbers as well.
Yeah,
kailangan malaman mo yung numero.
Yes.
What's your cap? Ano yung, based, information-wise, kung ano yung cap mo to buy a home, ano yung numbers mo. Just to know the numbers, right?
Yeah,
you also do that, right?
Correct. Importante yun. Kaya nga, di ba, during my buyer consultation, I invite you over. Kasi you discuss kasi there's a difference between what they could afford, right? Or how much purchase that they could afford versus how much comfortable they could afford.
Yes, totoo yan.
Kasi minsan, lalo na tayong Pilipino, marami tayong obligasyon. Yung iba sa atin, nagpapadala pa ng pera sa Pilipinas. So, kailangan nila yung extra income. Hindi ko pwedeng lagay lahat yan sa bahay.
Correct.
May mga iba naman na mga kababayan natin, mahilig mag-travel dahil ganyan ang lifestyle nila. So, kung anong magpapaligaya sa kanila, as much as possible, we don't want to alter it, but as long as you're comfortable with the monthly payment.
Yes, correct.
Yun ang pinaka-importante.
That's the bottom line. line.
Kaysa uupa ka.
Correct, diba? Correct. So there it is, guys. I'm just telling you, like, we're talking about this because, again, we're seeing a little bit of that home buyer's window right now.
Yes.
There's so much choices as far as inventory houses.
Yes.
Most of the sellers are motivated to give credit to help out. Right?
To help out.
Yun ang talagang maganda.
At wag na po kayong maghihintay kasi when is the best time to buy? My answer is now.
Yeah, it's always now.
Okay,
it's always now.
And 20 years from now, you're gonna say when was the best time to buy? 20 years ago when I bought my first home.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So it's always like whatever kung kailan kayo komportable sa monthly payment. Kaysa itapon po ninyo sa renta.
Hindi nga kasi meron akong isang kliyente, Alvin, nung mga 3 years ago.
Yes.
Alvin, naghanap kami pero wala kaming mahanap.
Sino ba realtor kasi niya?
Hindi nga ito nga. Pero ito yung common na di ba? Walang inventory. Tapos kung may nakita, may kalaban, di ba? Ngayon merong inventory. Teka, maghintay muna tayo. Tignan namin kung ano. I mean, ano ba talaga? Sala sa init.
Iko-consult ko yan. Ako na
buyer consultation na tayo ngayon.
Para magkaroon na siya ng bahay bago magpasko.
Yes. Alam mo, but again, like at the end of the day, tama yung sinabi ni Elizabeth. It's never the bad market. It's never the good market. It's always the now market.
It's the now.
It's the now as always.
Yes. So anyway, I hope you learned something today here at Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. And if you have any questions in regards to buying a home, you could always reach out to me. And of course, if you want to get pre-qualified for your for the mortgage when we have
Talk to
Alvin
me.
here. Yes.
And also, if you want to sell your home, make sure you talk to Elizabeth
yes,
Velasco.
I could do a free consultation
yes,
for you.
Yes,
So,
for sure.
there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in here at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate!
Thank you,
See you
everyone.
guys.